Alright, this will be a better comparison here. I used to have an exhaust leak that was coming from the exit of the exhaust manifold down there, down below of course. But the little sound comparison I did the other day, it really wasn't a fair comparison because I didn't rev the engine while the camera was sitting right here. So take a listen now, and I'll put a link in the bottom of the comments of how it sounded before. Quite remarkable improvement. And there you go. There was a substantial exhaust leak coming from, way down there. And that crushed gasket had to be replaced. I had, the little stud bolts down there had to be replaced. And I found a good deal on an entire exhaust manifold. Excuse the focus. Come on, focus. I found a good deal on the exhaust manifold as well, so I went in and replaced all of it with new gaskets and everything. Now it is as quiet as it should be. So yeah, we just keep knocking out little knick-knack issues that were wrong with this truck. It runs fine and all that, but I like for my stuff to be right. So I go through any little thing that's malfunctioning that shouldn't be, and just little tic-tac issues I like to resolve. I've got other videos where I restore the instrument cluster. I found the light in the dashboard in there was malfunctioning. There was a light in the cigarette lighter that's on when you turn the lights on. Hold on. That light right there was malfunctioning. The cigarette lighter itself was in rough shape because this truck is almost 20 years old. So, we're just knocking out little stuff. Make it run like new. And that's how I like my stuff to be. Oh, and I replaced the turn signal arm because the windshield wipers were all crazy. They were like stopping halfway and all that. It was real stupid. And that was nothing more than replacing this guy. And the good thing about these trucks is they're really not that difficult to work on. And parts are easy to get. So I like that. Anywho, this is a 1990 Chevrolet K1500. And I'm very pleased with it. Alright, like, follow, subscribe. See y'all.